This is just short example of why we have to check our product as a test engineer or tester, quality control member, team member, whoever is there. So if you have a new product and you don't know actually how it exactly works, you have to use it. You have to go through the features and try out things. But sometimes when you know the product quite enough, there is still things that you are feeling that is this working in a way it should be. So it's a situation where you have to make some notes and make this your findings to the team so they can say that is this actually the thing what is happening, or is there actually some kind of problem. So this is a example of the shop web shop Presta shop, which is just a demo mode, but I show you one situation which could be leading you to report something. So I'm trying to get inside this product, this service. So I'm starting from the situation that there is no account, and I'm making new account, test person. Okay, I just tester. Uh, Testerman could be my name, and testerman at test.org. This can be already research, but next time just putting my user password, and I can check it. Yes, there it is, and I'm continuing. I agree these some of these elements, and let's think about what happens next. So what we are expecting when we are doing new account. So many times when you have doing the save, you are expecting some kind of message that there should be, you have to accept your user account as registered as new user. Now there was no such any kind of message. You are actually logged in. So if I'm inside my service, I can do things. And now I'm wondering, is this correct way of working that I can log in system and now I have actually chance to do things here and change things and make some kind of things to select tools and look select or use the system. So if there is this registration needed and confirmation email is sent, is there any kind of message that please check your email box, because you have to first make this kind confirmation of your last, if you have signed now in, so please make it that. So I don't see any kind of message where they said that okay, there should be now email in your email box, so please check that first. So I would like to expect as a tester that there should be some kind of message sent to user, and this could be one kind of finding that I'm just want to make that as an issue. So I'm just making sure that I'm recording that, and I'm using this bug report. So it means that I just tell my findings. So I was expecting that when I'm assigning, I'm doing this registration, I should see some kind of message that please just check your email box for the confirmation message. I'm not writing here too much, but anyway, the reason is that I have to make sure that this thing is taken care of. So if I make this kind of issue, now it's officially in a backlog, waiting for some kind of solution or verification by the other teams. This can be much easier to ask from the real development team that how it's actually going to be working. But sometimes some of these issues actually are leading to situation that these are important findings. So team can be saying that yes, actually, what is happening? Why the message is not coming up? So should be the message. So you have found a real bug. But when you are not knowing the tool or service, it's common to make uh, too easily issues about all kind of things which are not happening in how you are expecting. That's why you have to use the tool and find out how it's going to be used. But you can also think about that if you are not aware of the product and there is a new person coming from as a customer, the same thing is also for him or her, that if she cannot use the product in a way that it's smoothly solving the problem or giving some benefit to this customer, it's possible that you have found a glitch which could be taken care of, make it working better. So I would like to see the message that okay, we have sent you a request for accept the registration. Please check your email. That could be much more convenient for the customer. So next question here is that if this discussion among the team is someday under on a planning day or whatever they are discussing, that should we add this kind of message? So then you are actually defining a new feature or some kind of enhancing your registration feature. So that's why these bugs can be very valuable. They can be actually leading you to develop your product further. So when we have defined a bug, it's possible that we have to go through weekly that what kind of bugs we have found. And some of those are having high priority. This is actually needing some attention from the team. So next time when the team is planning, they have to take some of these bugs, for example, in this milestone. So that if they have a planning day, and it's possible that they are just checking all these bugs in a list. So should we take some of these bugs in a fix? So we are fixing those during the sprint. So in this case, there is not so many, but I can add some examples. So let's do it in a way that I'm just asking all those bugs, and I say that let's move them hanging there in a sprint 2. Now we can wait a moment. Just taking all these bugs there and update. So now we go for the planning day board for the sprint 2. And amazingly, you can see that there is actually a huge amount of bugs. And I add some extra steps here so you are not feeling that what the heck is going on. So I'm just adding a couple. So take this waiting for estimation as we have planned, and then we add in progress. Then we have this waiting for testing. Then we have still one. There is waiting for review. And these are the elements, and now we are starting to plan. So we are taking some of these bugs seriously. So we are taking this in under discussion in a planning day. Then we start to work with that. We try to fix it. Some of team member is fixing, and when the fix is done, it will be moved to the testing periods. And when test engineer, testing team member is saying that yes, okay, it's fixed, and we are agreed that it's done, so we can move it, waiting for the review. And in a review day, if the big book is fixed and it's able to update the production, so let's close it. Yes, this is shortly the story. Bye.